Hello, everyone. Welcome back, my beloved kings and queens. My name is Joyce McTeer, and I'm going to be your host for another Crafty Vision segment. Okay, so today, my beloved kings and queens, we are going to be making a wire wrap ring. Here are the items that you will need for this here tutorial. You're going to need some wire cutters, some round nose pliers. You're going to need a ruler. You're going to need some 12 gauge aluminum wire, and your wire has to be 30 inches long, okay? That's the only thing that you needed the ruler for, all right? You're also going to need some, now you can do this project using 6, 8, or 10 millimeter wood beads. I am using 10 millimeter wood beads, and you're going to need between 6 and 7, okay? So the very first thing that we're going to do, since I have already taken the liberty and cut my wire, I'm going to take one of my beads and place it on, and I'm going to pinch it just like this, okay? I'm going to put it on there just like that. This is pretty much what you are going to have. And I am going to cut the bottom where this piece is sticking out, that little piece right there. I'm just going to snip that right off. Just like that, okay? Now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to just continue to wrap my wire around my bead. Just like this. Now I'm going to come around. Okay, that's the first wrap. You want to wrap it twice. So I'm going to wrap it again. Come all the way around. Just like this. All right, and when I get to the top, that's twice. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add on another wood bead. So I'm going to bring that down just like this. And this is what you are going to have. Now, once you bring it down, you want to take your wire and you want to do just like this. You want to go backwards. Not forward, but backwards, okay? And then we're going to start wrapping our wire around just like this, just like we did the first one. Okay, just like this. All right, we're going to continue to go around. But this time, we're going to come right here. So this is pretty much what it is going to look like. Now you're going to add on another one. This is bead number 3. You're going to slide that down. Okay, bead number 3. And you want to put it right here. And then once again, you want to go backwards, not forward, backwards. So you want to go this way. Okay. And you want to wrap this piece twice. You want to continue to go around, and as you are making your coils, just try to make sure that everything is staying nice and tight. Okay, so here you have it. So you have 1, 2, and 3. Now we're going to go to bead number 4, and we're going to slide that down. Okay, so that's bead number 4. All right, now this time we're going to go back. We're going to wrap it this way. Okay. And we're going to wrap this one twice, just like we did the last couple of times. Okay. All right. And that's what you're going to have. Now you're going to go to bead number 5. Slide that down, and that's where bead number 5 is setting. And you're going to go backwards. hold it as tight as you can, just like that, and wrap it around. And then you're gonna come out right here, okay? So right now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we're gonna go to bead number 6. Now when we get to bead number 6, sorry if I'm out of frame, we're gonna go the opposite way, which is this way. But this time we're gonna wrap bead number 6 more than 2 times. We're gonna wrap bead number 6 3 times. So that's 1, 2. We're gonna keep wrapping. Trying to make sure everything stays the way it's supposed to stay. All right. And we're gonna be done right here. Okay, so you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now this is going to be bead number 7. We're gonna put bead number 7 right here. That's number 7. And we're gonna go backwards this way. And we're only gonna wrap it a couple times. So that's 1, and then we're gonna wrap it one more time. And that's 2. Now once we get here, what we're gonna start doing is we're gonna start pushing up our beads. So you wanna just push them up like that. Okay, you're making your little design by pushing them up, just like that. Now push them up, okay? And this is pretty much what everything is going to be looking like. You're gonna come down here, okay? And then you're just going to bend this like this. You're gonna mold it. So actually, you're gonna mold it. You're gonna take and snip some of this off because you're not gonna need all of that. So I'm gonna come about right there, snip that, and then I'm gonna take my pliers and make a loop right here, okay? Now the very last part where you wrapped, that's the part that you bring it down, and this is the part that's going to fit on your finger. So then you're gonna take your hand and just squeeze that in, and this is your ring. Okay, this is your ring. Okay, you can go in and adjust it. All right, but this is it right here. Okay, this is what you have created. And it is adjustable. Okay, and it'll fit anybody's finger. But this is your masterpiece right here. This is really gorgeous. You can do this ring in any colors with any beads of your choice. So go and make plenty. And I want to take this time and say thank y'all so very much for watching. Please share my videos. I would greatly appreciate it so very much. And until my next upload, my beloved kings and queens, peace and blessings. See ya.